The sprinkler dance. This is my summer story. The sun was a big yellow ball in the sky. It was so hot that even the grass seemed to be thirsty. My name is Milo, and I sat on my porch, wishing for a cool breeze. Just then, my friend Elara came running over. She was carrying a long, green garden hose. "It is too hot to sit still, Milo," she shouted with a giggle. "Let's make our own rain." We dragged the hose to the very middle of the yard. I found the sprinkler. It looked like a little green turtle waiting to play. Elara helped me click the hose into place. "Ready?" I asked. I ran over to the side of the house where the silver faucet lived. The green hose was attached tight to the faucet. I took a deep breath and gave the handle a big, slow turn. Sizzling. That was the sound of the hot sidewalk before the water hit. Then, pop, 1,000 tiny diamonds shot into the air. The sprinkler began to spin, sending circles of water all around. Elara didn't wait a second. She ran right into the middle of the spray. "It's cold," she shrieked, twirling around. The water made a pitter-patter sound on her shoulders. I joined her, and the sprinkler dance began. First, we did the wiggly-wiggly. We wiggled our fingers and shook our hair as the cold water splashed our toes. Next was the stomp-stomp-splash. We lifted our knees high and stomped into the wet grass. Every time our feet hit the ground, a big splat of water jumped up to meet us. "Look!" Elara pointed at the mist. The sun was shining through the water, creating a tiny, magical rainbow right in our backyard. She tried to catch the colors in her hands. After a long time, we sat down on the cool, wet grass. We were soaked from head to toe, but we weren't hot anymore. We were happy and refreshed, and that was my summer story.